good, YouTube?
And we got a crazy one ahead of us. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create your own light wipes overlays all in After Effects. By the way, if you like tutorials like these, then make sure to subscribe because I drop bangers on this channel all the time. So subscribe so you don't miss out on any more stuff. With that said, let's get right into this. All right, so I made a 4K composition. The first thing we're gonna do is create a new solid. So let's do Command Y and let's make the color black. We're gonna call this light wipes. And then what we're gonna do with that is, for now we just get a black solid. We're gonna go over to effects and presets and we're gonna type fractal noise. Fractal noise is super useful because you can do so much with it. You can really create pretty much anything. I don't know, it's one of my favorite effects. All right, so then we're gonna go over to transform for now and we're gonna uncheck uniform scaling, and then we're gonna make the height pretty low and we're gonna increase the scale width. Afterwards, we're gonna increase the contrast so that we get something like this and decrease the brightness as well. We're gonna increase the scale width once again, maybe something like that. And then we're gonna make the fractal type dynamic twist. And then after that, we're gonna animate it. Let's get into it. So we're gonna go to the evolution options and on random seed, we're gonna type alt click and we're gonna type time asterisk 24. Let's see what that gives us. So now we get this kind of like moving overlay, which doesn't look too bad for now. Now we're gonna sauce it up. So we're gonna go, so I'm gonna use, I think, deep glow to make it glow. That might be a bit too much though, we'll see. So as you can see, we get this super nice like light trail going right here. I think the glow is a bit too much. I might do half of that, so 0.5. And I think I'm gonna make it warp a little. So I'm gonna go to optics compensation. So that's gonna allow us to make like the edges like more warped and have a cool effect. As you can see, just like this. That looks pretty cool right here, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see what that looks like. As you can see, now we have this, which looks pretty cool. And now, since it's a transition, you want it to be out of there and then you see the effect and then it's out once again. For now, it's like a constant effect. So we're gonna animate it in and then out. Let me show you how to do that. All right, so we have this beautiful effect right here. We're gonna go back to fractal noise. And now we're gonna play with the brightness until we don't really see anything anymore. So I think it was before. Let's do Command Z, guys. Okay, it was at that. So in the middle, we're gonna keyframe the brightness and then we're gonna go in the beginning and decrease it until we don't see anything, just like that. And then in the middle, it's animated. And then at the end, we're gonna do the same thing. Now let's see what that looks like. We can make it like ease right here. We're gonna do easy ease. That way the part sticks out longer where we see it. So now it looks just like this. You can keep that one if you want. You can make it shorter if you want. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, that looks pretty cool. And then when it's here, we can almost, something like that is cool. All right, so I guess that's gonna be our overlay right here. So now how we're gonna apply it is we're gonna go in another composition. I'm gonna call example. It really only lasts this long. So I can just make this short like this. And then you wanna tap on toggle switches in mode. And then you wanna change the blending mode to screen. And then you would have this transition right here. So now as you can see, we have our light transition, which looks super cool. I think we can sauce it up some more here if we add a bit more contrast to it. We're gonna increase the contrast and we're also gonna increase the scale height, which is gonna look something like this. I think it's gonna have more impact because for now the overlay, it doesn't really have that much impact. Now that looks super cool. If you want to add some more sauce to it, we can add another adjustment layer right here and then go to animation presets and then select a preset out of my new wave effects presets, like the light swipe. So now it adds way more impact right here. Looks super cool. This is if you want these drag and drop presets, I'll leave them down in the description. They're the best thing I've ever made and my best seller on my website for sure. That's honestly super clean. Now here's the final result. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and if it brought you any value, please consider subscribing. Also, please let me know in the comments what type of tutorials you want to see next on this channel. With that said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.